Welcome to my channel, Julep's Garden, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. It is the first day of May. It is unusually chilly in North Carolina. It's about in the 60s. It's usually a lot warmer, but that's not stopping us. We're at Walmart today, and we're going to go check out what they have in inventory. So it looks like they have their mulch on rollback. So it's normally $3.47, and they have it for $2.47, and it looks to be 1.5 cubic feet. Let's see, they have the cedar mulch blend, cypress blend. Let's see, red mulch, black mulch. Yeah, let's see what else is on. Garden soil, $3.32, $6.48. It's pretty good. Organic potting soil, $7.97. All right, let's go see what's inside. Look at these sweet little roses. It's coral drift. Let's see what the price is. Oh, $14.97. Look how pretty that color is. So these, of course, need full sun, so 4 to 11, and they only grow to about 1.5 feet high. So they're really small. I like that. They also have these red roses. So this is Canyon Road, $17.84. And this one matures to 2.5 feet high. So still not huge, but would make a great little accent plant. If you don't have a lot of space and you want roses, you can still have them. Look at that. So this one just says Rose Pretty Poly Lavender, but it's these tiny little sweet red, soft pink clusters. So pretty. So they have wisteria, which it's crazy because it is pretty invasive. I see it all over, taking all over our native trees here. It's pretty crazy that, you know, it's still getting sold, but anyways, $24.94. But yeah, it is pretty known to be invasive. And these beautiful mandavillas, $19.84. Look at those. And then here we have some more Gerber daisies for $4.97. Those pretty pink colors. They just scream spring and summer. They have these calibricolas from $19.97. And here we have some begonias with Coley's baskets, $15.97. They're a little pricier, but they're great if you don't want the fuss, and you can just plop them into a container. And the combinations have been done for you. Okay, so here we have lobelia for $4.97. And we have some mondo grass, $2.97. Some liriope. Why can I never say that? Liriope, $2.97. Look at these beautiful lilies. These are $6.88, and these come back every year. So I got one of these already. It's a Japanese painted fern for $4.98. I think this is a great buy because these can get a lot bigger and they're beautiful. $4.98. Did I say that right? And then we have some hostas. These are $4.98 also, which is a pretty good price for their size. And it doesn't say the variety, it just says hosta. And then here they have a slightly larger, it says hardy fern for $8.98. Look at the color of these calla lilies. It is a beautiful deep burgundy color, and these are $9.98. Also, they come back every year. Look at these with the yellow. So this is another lily. This is tiny, $8.98. Beautiful. And then right here to the side we have some hydrangeas for $9.98. You come in a nice little container. And more calla lilies, and these come in the container for $17.98. Look, they have the proven winners already pre-done containers. This is Bermuda Skies for $17.98. And then they have this one, Sparkle and Glory. That's pretty cool. And they have these beautiful begonias for $7.84. They have the hot red geraniums, $7.84. And then we have here, this is osteospermum, $7.84 also. And then we have some proven winners, Super Vena Sparkling Verbena, some Super Bells Holy Cow Calibracoa. Look at these. And Super Bells Yellow Calibracoa. Those are all $5.97. Look at the dahlias, $7.84. They are just gorgeous. And then over here we have some New Guinea impatiens for $9.97. Some little caladiums for $97, although they look a little sad. And then these are more dahlias. A container of coleus for $14.88. They have these regal geraniums. They've kind of been beat up, I think, by all the rain, but they're $12.88 with the nice pink container. Look at this coleus. I love it. Looks like it's outlined on the edge. $14.88. I kind of feel like that's a lot for coleus. And these, I love these containers. So these are slightly bigger than some that I got. I got the smaller size for $14. The bigger size I think is $25. But I've come back because I want one of these in the bigger size. So they've had these for a little while, but I think they're so cute. They have a little entrance sign that says home, entrance sign that says home, some begonias, so pretty. We have marigolds for $2.84 for a pack of 4. So pretty. They have these that say Kalonchi. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but $9.97. And then the African marigolds, $8.87 in these little containers. And I love the look of these. The black pots, they have begonias for $19.97. Isn't that pretty? And then these are really pretty too, but they are pricey, $34.88. These kind of cute little containers with the sun patience. They have the normal impatiens, but it's a 4-pack for $2.84. These are the colors. And then they have the wave petunias for $8.97. They have these called purslane. It's full sun. They kind of look like sedums for $4.97. And then look at this calibracoa. I love this color. $7.84. They have some hanging basket begonias for $9.97. It's like mint green. And they also have it with trailing vinca. Oh, look at these begonias. Look at the size of my hand. And that flower. Wow. Look at that. These are amazing. These are $14.88. It just says sun or shade begonia. But look at this. Look at this bloom. This thing is huge. It's like 4 inches. That's gorgeous. And then they have some cyclamen. Let's see how much these are. Where is the price? here it is, $9.97. Man, these are so pretty, but it's gonna get too warm here too quickly. These won't do well. The cyclamen, if you still have cool weather, it would do well for you. They have these geranium containers for $19.97. And then more of these that you kind of plop in the ground and they're all ready for you, $15.97. This one's pretty. I like the white, the blue, the pink. Oh look, and these are proven winner containers for $29.97. These are New Guinean patience for $19.97. Look how cute in a basket, $14.88 with Garber daisies. That's cute. Look at these, it's the fuchsia. But look at these do well in shade. Isn't that gorgeous? These begonias, $14.88. They have the Endless Summer for $14.97. The original. So these will bloom according to your acidity. These are the acidic or alkaline. And then over here they also have Summer Crush. They're the smaller containers. Let's see, we have some more dahlias, $14.97. Some hostas, $4.98. I meant $4.97. Sorry, my numbers get all mixed up. This is lobelia, $4.97. And the begonias for $4.97. Look at that. And they have this Iconia color, also for $4.97. Some Creeping Jenny, $2.84. Oh look, geraniums, $2.84. They have the Southern Living Florida Sunshine for $24.97. Heart shade to shade. They're beautiful. And the Kaleidoscope Abelia, $24.97. Full sun to part shade. And then these look like they might be what are they called? They're gardenias for $24.97. I don't see the tag on them, but... And they have a smaller size of the Florida Sunshine for $14.97. They have Leyland Cypress for $19.84. And Japanese Holly for $24.97. More Japanese Holly, $19.84. And this is a Japanese privet. Look at this hibiscus. Oh, they're so pretty. These are $16.88. $16.88. Here we have a tea olive for $19.84. Oh, look, a muscadine grape, $12.84. They're all right here, muscadine grapes. And blackberries for $12.84. They're small. So they have these hanging baskets, $7.97. They have the window boxes for $7.97 too. They have these really cute pots, $12.97 and $9.48. $9.48. These are $19.97 and $11.97. If you're starting seeds, they have a lot, like they even have the grow house. It's a little pricey, $74. They have these that I thought were really cool. And these are $11.44. They're not that bad, but it's only $16. And they have the little dome to go with it. They have the little pallets to grow in. Those are, oh here, these are $5.87. It's pretty affordable, I think. You get a lot of your seeds started. And they even have the heating mat. Look at this, 26. These are $8.46. $14.97, $9.47, $13.97, and they're so cute. $7.97. They even have baskets, and they already come with the lining inside. Look at that. $15.97. These are $18. Those are $12. These are $18. Look at this cool bowl. $14.97. This blue one. It's pretty. $22. They have this square planter for $14.97. $6.97. $7.88. How cool are those? This one's really cute too. It's got all this texture. $9.47. This one's really nice. $11.98. Look at these. I'm really impressed. $10.98. Walmart also has the 2 cubits black mulch for $2.47. That's pretty good. When you're a little crazy and you want to put mulch down, it's a little fast. Alright, I'm back home, but I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you enjoy my videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.